So right off the box you notice the red accent in everything around the box, which I love it. As I open the box, the first thing you glance is a red notch, which is a paper in a card form that tells you about the purpose when you buy red products, in which a portion of that spent amount is going for HIV scientific research programs to help on preventing the transmission of HIV disease from a mother to her unborn child. So it is important to notice it is for a good cause. And then there is the phone, there is the beauty. All black front, completely beautiful, and the back glass. The red inside it. Wow man, I love it. Very nice. That's a ruby red in my eyes, as you see a perfection right there. The glass makes the red very reflective and shiny, especially when there's a big source of light like the sun. And of course, in the box you can see all the classic Apple stuff. The earpods with the lightning connector, plus the headphone jack adapter, the USB cable and the USB power adapter. This is by far the most beautiful colored phone I have ever seen. Gotta love it as my daily driver from now on. Before I got this, I had the 6S Plus, which is also a great phone. A few differences between 6S Plus to the 8 Plus is the 8 Plus is waterproof, this ain't. The 8 Plus has a dual system camera, which uses for portrait mode or optical zoom to 2 times. What else? The battery is the same, I guess, because 6S Plus has never failed. Another difference between these two is the front camera. This has a 7 megapixel and the 6S Plus has a 5 megapixel. So those extra pixels makes really a huge difference. What do we have less? What do we have more? Less? More. This can shoot 4K at 60 FPS, which is amazing, and also 1080p at 240 FPS, which is super amazing slow-mo. And this guy right here, no, it doesn't. It just goes to 720p at 240 FPS, which is a lower resolution, and 4K at 30 FPS, and can't go any higher. They share the same display, still LCD, which I love it, looks true natural, and Full HD resolution, which is pretty sharp. The buttons around the phone stay the same, as they are perfect the way they are, and I think Apple engineers have done a great work with this model. The color on the red edition, man, you should check it closer by yourself to witness its beauty. Trust me on this. I'm really enjoying the phone. These are the first days of me using this and customizing, organizing things, downloading apps, you know, stuff like that, and I'm really loving it. I'm a big fan of this edition. The red edition looks pretty cool. I'm in love with it. This video, guys, was just a presentation of my new smartphone. I really hope you enjoyed it. If so, give it a thumbs up. It always does help a lot. I'm Henry. Have a good day. Peace.